Hello, friends. So, friends, there's another message which I would like to relay to you. So, the first message which came is the very potent message which I relayed. If you have not listened to that channeling, you can listen to it. It is the previous one, the one previous to this one. So, in which they are giving me a message that whatever has happened on his side of the family is similar to what is happening on your side of the family. It's just that you have not realized that factor, that it's also happening on your side, and it is more pertinent or more noticed on his side because you want him and somebody is preventing you from him. But the energy in on his side is not particularly a primary energy on his side. It is actually reflection of your side's energy. So this may seem very small to people, that yeah, there are people on my side, people on his side. Actually, it is just a reflection, it is just a mirror effect. If you stop listening to those people on your side, the people on his side will also disappear. That is the potency, because till now nobody realized that factor. Like I said, it seems like a small factor, but nobody realized it, or nobody put it into practice, or nobody accepted it till now, or nobody even saw it till now. That's the same things are happening at your end also. Your mother is also trying to keep you away from this guy, or telling you multiple things that this person is not good for you, this and that. And maybe your father has said to you that there's so much gap, time gap. Now do you think he's going to like you in the same way as it was when you first started, or something? It could be different in any of your cases, but the main energy is that whatever is happening on his side, particularly related to people stopping him from being with you, or people not letting him believe that you are the one for him. It could be any kind of conversations that they are telling him, your skin color is not good, you are not beautiful, or you are not in the same work field as him, or he should be with a certain kind of a female. And on your side also there were similar voices, similar energies. Only it was just that the divine feminine was too invested in the divine masculine and the union, and she wanted it too much, that she never thought that her side was actually a reflection, or her side was actually mirroring that thing in the divine masculine. So as I said, if you will stop, or if you will stop, because you cannot control people on your side, you cannot tell them to stop, you cannot tell them to shut up. Even if you tell them, literally they will not shut up, because they are their own people. What you can do is you can stop listening to them, and that will also be reflected on the masculine side. He will also stop listening finally, because he's already coming into reunion energy. He's letting go of his ego. So if you stop listening to people on your side and you take a firm stand, he will also take a firm stand. So you have to take a stand for your love. It's like प्यार के लिए अब आपको स्टैंड वो लेना पड़ेगा, और वो स्टैंड यही होगा कि आप किसी की भी बात सुनना बंद कर देंगे. इवन आई एम गेटिंग दिस मैसेज दैट फॉर सम रीडर्स, आप उनकी भी बात सुनना बंद कर देंगे अगर वो आपको कह रहे हैं कि ये आपका ट्विन नहीं है, ऐसे आपकी यूनियन नहीं होगी, एंड योर इंट्यूशन इज टेलिंग यू कि आपकी यूनियन होगी, एंड दिस पर्सन इज़ योर ट्रू ट्विन. तो आप अपनी इंट्यूशन पे बिलीव करोगे, आप कई रीडर्स की भी बात सुनना बंद कर दोगे. उसी तरह अगर वो किसी साइकिक रीडर्स को कंसल्ट कर रहा है और उसको बैड एडवाइस मिल रही है, तो वो भी बंद कर देगा. बैड एडवाइस आइदर वे हो सकती है कि आपका कोई ट्रू ट्विन फ्लेम हो, और कोई आपको कही जा रहा है कि वो फॉल्स ट्विन है, जो रीडर खुद ही इतना डेवलप नहीं है. और ये भी हो सकता है कि आपका वो फॉल्स ट्विन हो और कोई रीडर आपको बताया जा रहा है कि वो ट्रू ट्विन है. सो फ्रेंड्स, इन इंग्लिश आई विल ट्रांसलेट. What I'm saying is that if you stop listening to people on your side, you cannot change those people. You can only change your own attitude. If you stop listening to those people, it will be reflected on the divine masculine side also. He will also stop listening to people, and he will finally take a stand, because you are taking a stand for your love. He will also take a stand for his love, or both of yours love. So also what is coming to me is that for some readers, you might even take a stand and stop listening to some readers who are telling you on the contrary of your intuition. Meaning that if you believe that that person is your true twin flame, and some reader who's not fully developed in their psychic abilities are telling you that they are not your twin flame, or they are a false twin or just a catalyst, you might stop listening to them and you might start listening to your own inner voice or own intuition. And it could also be or the opposite, that they are not your true twin, and the readers are telling you that this person is a true twin. So finally you will take a stand, and you will only believe what is true, and you will only believe in yourself, and you will take a stand, and you will stop listening to the opinions of other people on your side, and similar energy will be reflected on his side. Now, another message which I started this channeling for, and it has already been around 6 minutes, and I've not come to the actual message. The actual message is, because this channeling is so much related to the first channeling, so I had to reiterate the first channeling also for people who are just watching this video and not the previous one, but I suggest you to watch the previous one also. So, coming to the channeling message of this particular channeling, the message is that if you have this pattern that I'm going to describe here, if you've had this pattern, then this channeling will resonate with you. So, from many of the divine feminines or even the masculine energy, if somebody is listening, you might have realized that from a very young age, since you started relationships, or since you started having love relationships, meaning the first boyfriend or the second or the third, or the first husband and then a divorce and then other lovers, or whatever your case is, whatever your individual case is. If you've had different people in your life, and you have come to realize now that, why am I getting people who are always trying to dominate me, or trying to not give me an equal status, or they're always overbearing, men who are always overbearing, or women who are always overbearing, people who are always dominating, people who are always telling me what to do, and there is no connection of love anywhere. I get all these people or all these guys who are doing the similar things, where they're trying to manipulate me, they're trying to handle me, they're trying to dominate me, or they're just trying to tell me what to do, whereas I am a equally capable individual, and I have a profession, I have a personal life also, but somehow they make me feel so small, and somehow they actually tell me as if I don't know. If you've had these patterns, and you've had lovers one after the other, or you've had friends and boyfriends who one after the other have behaved in a similar way, and you are asking to yourself that how come I find these same people again and again and again in different people? How come I find the same guy in different guys? How come I find the same qualities or disqualities in different people again and again and again? Am I not meant for true love? Am I not meant to be respected? Am I not meant to be equal? So why? Now the potency of the message comes here. Why is this happening to you? Because in your own home, in your own extended family, or in your immediate family, you have taken the same behavior. Yes, mark my words. You have been dominated by your mother or father, or your brothers or sisters. They have actually always told you what to do. They have always behaved with you like they need to tell you what to do, or they need to tell you how to live. They have always manipulated you. That is why you are finding one lover after the other who is having the same qualities. Now, the rectification of this pattern comes that when you will stop taking all this shit in your own home, you will stop attracting the same pattern in lovers. Yes, my friends, the divine feminine and any divine masculine energy who's listening to this, they need to stop being subjugated by their own family and extended family. Once they will break the patterns in the family where they are subjugated or manipulated or felt small or made to feel small, told what to do, or dominated, you will also break the pattern in your love life. Now, even your twin may have the same template. He may carry this karmic template where he is also behaving like the old lovers, So you wonder whether this is even my true twin flame, because, in all the research and all the videos you might have heard, you have seen that the twin is a very beautiful spiritual connection. He's never going to abuse you and all that, but he may carry a karmic template if you are carrying the karmic template. What I mean is that if you are carrying this pattern, your twin temporarily will also carry the pattern just to make you realize that this is the pattern with you. When you will break that pattern, your twin will also lose that pattern to make you realize. So he will become a normal, loving twin, or the patterns will change, and suddenly he will become romantic and loving, and you will wonder that he used to treat me in a very dominating way, in a very manipulative way. He used to tell me what to do, and he used to always be on the top, and make me feel small, or make me feel he was just carrying a karmic template. If he is your true twin flame, if he is your false twin flame, then you need to figure out in some other video. This is not for you, so this is the potency of the message. Everywhere it is just you who's the main primary source of energy, which is creating everything around her, the feminine energy. So I don't even want to say this, but do you realize how powerful the feminine energy is? It's not the masculine energy who's creating these situations, and he is just reflecting. He is just a poor mirror. You are the powerful goddess. You complain that why you have to do all the inner work. It is similar to complaining why does a lady get pregnant and bear a child. It is because you are more powerful. It is not because you are less. That is why this bullshit is given to you. It is because you're more powerful. You can take more pain, You can understand better. You can accept the energy reams better, Some people are just average, They can't even accept higher level things, But you are powerful. You are a goddess. You are the feminine energy. You are the primary source of everything that is being created around you. So mark my words on both of these channelings and figure out if you are carrying these patterns and templates and you are mirroring it to the masculine. So once you will stop, he will also stop. So chances of reunion will be highly increased. Thank you, my folks.